Welcome back everybody to the daily show where we discuss and do technical analysis on big mega cap stocks. So before we get started, please smash that like button, and 100 plus likes on this video would be greatly appreciated, guys. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Now if you want to support the channel and get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, live trading, and all kinds of setups, definitely check out their link down below in the description for Patreon. And now let's get right into it, guys. On Netflix is down 1% and now it's trading below 725. So yes, it's under 725. If we can get above 725 early as tomorrow's session, watch out for continuation to the upside and you will see 740 from here. Now underneath 725 you will see a flush down to 700, and if it breaks below that you'll see 680. On AMD it's up 2.26%. so if you took my idea from my last video right here that I made, that we could be pulling back into this support 164, and this could be a dip buying opportunity right here. So Thursday and even into Friday's session, we actually got this pullback slightly underneath 164, and the dip was bought up immediately, and you can see now it's up over 2% and trading at almost 168. So this was a fantastic opportunity. You can possibly get into a day trade, a swing trade, and as long as you can hold 164, watch out for continuation all the way up to 174 to 175, and above that we could be retesting these highs right here at 187. Now, under 164, there will be strong support at 153, and from there, 148. On Microsoft, it's absolutely flat on the day, and you can see, it's trading underneath this trend line, and so far holding 414, 413, a key level here on Microsoft. Now, underneath that level, we will retest 400, and from there, 384. Now, as long as this support can hold 413 to 414 right here, and we get that breakout over 420, Microsoft can run all the way back up to 427, and from there even 442. On Apple, stock is down 0.65%. so again, Apple just ping-ponging in between 230 and 224 until we see that breakout over 230 and Apple can hold. Don't expect more upside here on Apple. We need to see that breakout. The support needs to hold 230, and then you're going to see continuation to the upside, possibly retesting 237 and going into blue skies and trading into brand new all-time highs. Now, if this is just a consolidation and then we break down under 224, you will see a flush down to 214 right here, and then from there this thing can come down even more really hard in a quick time and retest at some point these lows down here near 200 to 196. On Nvidia, stock is absolutely flat on Friday and it's banging its head right against this resistance 136. We break over that, guys. Nvidia going into blue skies will possibly retest previous all-time high just over 140, and from there this thing can go up to 150 bucks. Now, we talked about it before, how this level right here, I need to see price closing over 118, and you can see how well that actually played out. Soon as we got over 118, we came back, retested, and now going back up. Also, you can see like low, higher low. This was another higher low right here, and now we're going into a new high on this mini uptrend, and possibly we can pull into another higher low, which could be found right here at 130 to maybe even 126. So this is going to be your buying opportunity right here on Nvidia stock if there is a pullback this week. Otherwise, if you're chasing it, well, I would not recommend chasing this anymore because it's already near all-time highs, and who knows where this thing can go. And we also have earnings coming up here on a lot of these big names. So Nvidia 130, your line in the sand for this week and tomorrow's session. Underneath that level 126 and then 123. To the upside, 136 breaks. We're trading into blue skies. It will hit possibly brand new all-time high, and who knows, that could be $150. On Meta, it's up 1%. So Meta here, if you look at my screen, we got this mini consolidation and then the breakout happened. And what happened on Friday, Thursday, and even Wednesday, guys? We got this red body hammer candle, and I actually made the video right here. And then we pulled back on Thursday, again on Friday, and the dip was bought up off of this support 583, 584, and now it's trading near 590. So as long as support can hold, we could be going back up to 600 plus and maybe even 620 here on Meta, and that is a brand new all-time high. Underneath this support right here, you'll see a flush easily down to 565 and then 543. On Amazon stock, it's up 1.16%. So Amazon, this was the buying opportunity and the higher low on this trend sequence right here to the upside. And now you can see we're definitely going up to this high right here, 196. So if that's taken out, we're trading into blue skies again here on Amazon, and you might see another brand new all-time high, or at least retest our previous all-time high. Now on a pullback, critical level to hold right here on Amazon, 185, underneath that 183, and then 180. If this thing breaks under 180, then stay away from Amazon. This thing can flush easily down to 173, and from there it can go much lower. On Google, stock is up 0.82%. So from my last video, guys, anybody took that advice, Google dip buy at 162 or below, what happened? Well, we're going back up and trading over 164 and 162. So now Google definitely can come back up and retest 170. And we also have this inverse head and shoulder here on Google. We got the head, left shoulder right here already formed, and now we're going back up. As long as we're staying above, I would say 160, it's bullish, and this thing can possibly come back up to 170. And from there, talk about upside, definitely this gap is the target right here, just under 183. On Tesla, stock is down 8.78%. So Tesla here, I'm not gonna show you guys what I actually did Friday. Tesla bought the dip near 216 on Friday, and that was same day expiration, and I got 70% out of those calls, and Tesla was fantastic. Now if you look at it, yes, they had that event, and if you ask me, I didn't like the car. Like the robotaxi, whatever they made is kind of like, it's like a toy. I don't know why Elon made that. It's kind of a stupid idea to make that. I mean, I don't even trust it. So, I see that. And usually after an event, Tesla sells off, and this is exactly what we got. Well, there was an opportunity on Friday for 70% profit. So definitely, guys, if you're serious about trading, there is lots of trade ideas. You just have to wait and find that good trade, and you can make money. And if you're interested, well, check out that link down below in the description for Patreon, and you will see how we do actually these trades on daily basis. Now, Tesla, yes, we broke this support, and we talked about it before in my video that uptrend is holding. But if this thing gets under 234, there is gonna be significant selling. And now you can see, I mean, this thing flushed, massive gap down right here. So now, if this thing can hold, I would say around 212, that's gonna be a buying opportunity with tight stop loss, and play it back up to this gap near 234. That's the game plan. But if this thing breaks under 212, then watch out for a flush down to 208 to 207, and from there even flat 200. And that's all I have for you guys in this video. Please don't forget to hit that like button. We need those likes, 100 plus, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated.